So coming to a pratyahara, Savasana. It's nice to put pillows under the knees. It's nice to put a blanket on, even if you're not particularly cold. The body does cool down when we stop moving. It's nice to place something over the eyes. And take whatever supports your body wants and needs right now. And just allow the feet to fall out to the sides. A natural resting pose for the legs. Just checking that the hips, pelvis, the spine, the neck and head are aligned, rocking the head side to side, right to left. Kia tau ki wainga nui and releasing into the center. Now just see that the arms are a slight distance from the body, and if possible the palms are facing up. And take a deep inhale through the nose and release with a sigh out the mouth. Inhale, drawing in calmness, allowing it to spread through the body. Inhale, drawing in peace and calm. Exhale, letting go of tensions or tiredness. And take two more like this. Just feel the letting go occurring at different levels of your being. Ki te taha tinana, ki te taha hinengaro, ki te taha wairua hoki. I'm feeling now the weight of the body connecting with the surface beneath. Tracing up from the heels all the way to the head, searching out, scanning out areas of tension. Keep on moving up the body from point to point, coming all the way up to the back of the head, taking in the entire body and how it feels. Noticing the temperature of the air on the bare skin, the temperature within the room. And make a visual and make a mental image of the shape of the body lying in its position. As if looking within a mirror, looking down on the body, seeing how the body looks. Seeing the color of the clothing that you're wearing. And seeing the expression on your face. Taking it all in. And now connecting to the sounds in the environment. Ears are like radar, searching out the sounds in the faraway distance. Listen out for the furthest away sound you can hear. Pick up a sound, let it go. Pick up another sound, let it go. Now listening out for sounds within the practice space, within the room. And finally hear the sound of your own breath in the nostrils or in the throat. Releasing the awareness of sounds and remembering to stay awake and aware for the practice of Yoga Nidra, following the guiding voice. Becoming aware now of each part of the body as it is mentioned in the body rotation, repeating the name mentally. At the same time, have a mental awareness of that part. Mental awareness only, there's no need to physically move the part. Drawing all awareness to the right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, the wrist, the lower arm, elbow, the upper arm, the right shoulder, armpit, side of the waist, hip, upper leg, kneecap, lower leg, the ankle, the heel, bottom of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Have an awareness of the whole right side of the body, the whole right side. And moving the awareness now to the left hand thumb. The left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the left hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, side of the waist, hip, upper leg, kneecap, lower leg, the ankle, heel, bottom of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, taking in an awareness of the whole left side of the body, the whole left side. Shifting the awareness to the backs of the heels, backs of calf muscles, backs of knees, backs of the thighs, the buttocks, the lower back, the upper back, back of the neck, back of the head, the crown of the head, and the forehead, the right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, and the space between the eyebrows, the right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, right nostril, left nostril, both nostrils together, the upper lip, lower lip, and the line of contact between both lips, the chin, the jaw, the throat, the center of the chest, the right side of the chest, the left side of the chest, the upper abdominal region, the lower abdominal region, and the pelvic space, the pelvic space. Remember to stay awake and aware, following the guiding voice. Moving the awareness now to the whole right side of the body, the whole right side of the body, the whole left side of the body, the whole left side of the body, and both right and left sides together. feeling the whole right leg and the whole left arm. The right leg and the left arm. Feeling the whole left leg and the right arm. Feeling the whole left leg and the right arm. Feeling the whole torso, and the neck and head, the neck and head. Feeling the whole back of the body, feeling the whole front of the body. Have an awareness now of front and back bodies together. And now putting the whole body together, feeling the whole body as an integrated, unified body. The whole body all together. And shifting the awareness now to the natural breath. Observe the body, breathe. Noticing the qualities of the natural breath, the depth, the pace, and where the breath is in the body. Be the silent witness of the breath in the body. And start to become aware now of the breath from the navel to the throat. Inhale, the breath travels up from the navel to the throat. Exhale, breath travels from throat to navel. Now becoming aware of the breath moving between the nostrils and the center of the eyebrows. Visualize a triangle formed by the nostrils and the eyebrow center. Inhale, breath travels up to the eyebrow center. Exhale, breath travels down, back out the nostrils. Begin a mental count of the breath backwards from 9. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 9. Inhale, 8. Like so on, counting backwards towards 0. Releasing the count now, drawing the awareness back to the sensation of the breath at the very tips of the nostrils. And the sound of the breath here. Hear the breath in the nose and the throat. Start to feel sounds, hear sounds in the practice space within the room nearby. Extend the awareness further outside to the sounds in the external environment, the sounds far away. Becoming aware of the temperature of the air against the bare skin. And feeling the movement of the breath through the body. And deepening the breath at the abdomen. Kia hoho nu te hā ki te puku. Feel the breath start to awaken the body. And noticing the qualities of the breath following our practice of Yoga Nidra and the restorative yoga. Becoming aware now of your body resting against the surface beneath. Feeling the weight of the body on the floor. Feeling the whole integrated body from the toes all the way up to the crown of the head. Scanning up the body. Taking in the sensation of the body at rest. Becoming aware of the time of day and where you are. Coming back to the visualization, the mental image of the shape of your body on the floor, the color of your clothing, and the facial expression. Making small movements in the fingers and toes. And moving the body however the body wants to move. Maybe a full body stretch. Maybe hugging the knees to the chest. And maybe rocking side to side. When you're ready, rolling the body over to the right side. Resting the head on the upper arm. And fully taking in the effects of the practice. And noticing your physical state, your mental state, the quality of your thoughts, your feelings, and the effects on your breath. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. And when you're ready, with the eyes still closed, sitting back up, returning to our natural, our comfortable seated position, ki te tau noho ahuru. Kia tau anō te tinana, settling the body once more. Kia tau ngā ringa ringa ki ngā waiwai, ki te pona. Returning the hands to the lap or the legs. Rolling the shoulders up, back and down. Creating some length in the spine. Whakapiria ngā ringa ringa ki te ngākau. Miri miria. Creating some heat, some energy between the hands. Placing them over the eyes. Feeling the transfer of energy. Reawakening the senses. Drawing the hands back down to the heart center. Mori ora.